Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a small haul that I did in Edmonton, West Edmonton Mall to share with you guys, and also I will be opening a Zulily box. So we weren't gonna go to Edmonton because as yet, but my fiance's sister was in the hospital and he wanted to go visit her. So that is why we ended up going there, and we're gonna go back next week because our dog's vet appointment is next week. So I'm gonna be going back into the mall to do a little bit of shopping, and I will show you. I just picked up like a couple things, not very much, from the store called International Clothiers, and they have a huge warehouse down in the back of their store where you can get really good bargains on clothing. They've got dresses, skirts, tops, pants, everything they've got there, except I haven't seen any footwear and purses. It's mostly clothing, and it's a lot of reduced prices. Like you can get stuff for 2 for $20 and stuff like that. So I've been wanting to go there for a long time to pick up some really nice summer stuff because they have those clothes out all year round. So you can go there and pick what you want for your trip if you're going on a holiday or something. So I'm gonna show you these sneakers. This I actually got from one of my favorite stores called RD, and I didn't bother taking a bag from them because I had this big bag already. They had a deal on these. This was regular $14.99. I paid like $10 something for these, and it's a funny story with this. The small town where we're living, they had the same type, a kind of different style on this part, but it was the same color and everything. I tried it on and it looked really cute on, and I was gonna buy it. Theirs was $11. So I tried a 7. It was too tight. So, and they didn't have a 7.5. So I tried the 8. The 8 would have been the right size except for the right foot. It kept pressing on my toe and it was kind of uncomfortable, but I was still gonna buy it because I figured, well, maybe it might stretch a little bit. You know, I'm just gonna take the chance because for $11 you can't go wrong. So it happens by the time I get to the till, there was like a huge lineup, and I just changed my mind. I put it back and I left because my fiance was waiting for me outside the store, and we had some stuff to do at home, and we wanted to get home and get those things done. So I was a little bit disappointed that I didn't get it. And then I went to West Edmonton Mall and I found these in the store. They don't carry half sizes. Never ever do I ever see half sizes. Even in the other types of footwear, they don't carry it. So I tried a 7, it was too small. I tried an 8, and they fit comfortable. There's a lot of room in the front where the toes are, no pressing on the toes like the other one, and it's just so nice and comfortable. They are so cute. I love them. I got it in a size 8, and they were around the same price as what the other store had them for. So I said, well, I'm taking these for sure. So I'm gonna go back to that store the next time I'm in the mall because they have really cute. They have like a whole wall of footwear. You can just go crazy in there. There's so many types of shoes to choose from, and then there's smaller aisles with them, and if you're lucky you can go there when they have a sale. Better for you, right? Because this was $14.90 or $14 regular price, which I wouldn't pay $14 for this. After seeing that other one was $11, I wouldn't pay that, but it was on sale, so I grabbed it. And I can't wait to go back there because I have to try the shoes on before I buy them, because I don't know how they're gonna fit. So that is why I'm waiting till I go back. There's some denim ones. I hope they do have a sale. So then now I'm going to show you what I got from International Clothiers, and it's just 2 items. I think this was $12 something. It's like a nice little cardigan. It's a nice light pink, and it's got the sleeve and cute little pockets on either side there. So cute. This was regular $60 and it's on sale, so I grabbed this. I just said, well, this is nice. I tried it on. A lot of stores, their fitting rooms aren't open, so you can't try this stuff on, which I'm a little bit skeptical with, because if you've never shopped there before, you wouldn't know how the sizing fits. So then you bring it home, you don't like how it look, or it doesn't fit right, and you take it back. You're not getting no money back. You're gonna get a store credit, so you're gonna have to use that in their store. So I kind of don't like that, because I went into another store and there are some things I'd like to get, like I want new jeans and stuff, but if I can't try them on, I don't want to buy them, because I don't want to be stuck with a store credit. What if I don't want anything else in the store? So I don't know if they're gonna be opening their fitting rooms anytime soon, but there's a couple things I think I can just try on right there. I don't need a fitting room for, but I don't know if they're gonna allow me to do it, because I want to see the sizes, how they fit. So I do have my receipt right here. So that cardigan was $10. $60 regular, $10 on sale. Imagine that. So I have a thing for hoodies, and you guys probably know that by now. I picked this one up. It is so cute. Nice gray color. It doesn't have the zipper in the front. I usually like to have the zippered ones, because then it's easy for me to put on and take off and stuff like that. But this one I have to put over my head, which is fine. And then on the side of the sleeve here has Canada written on it. And yeah, it's so cute, you know. It's got a real nice color, nice little pink. Then you've got your little pockets on this front there. There's like a hand warmer, sort of, because my hands go through. Super cute. I can wear that with a pair of jeans. That would look really nice. Okay, so that was all I picked up at the mall, because I know I mentioned I was trying not to spend too much, but I always go overboard. I like this store because the stuff is so affordable, and I have 2 skirts that I want to get tops for, so I'm gonna go back there and try to find a match for them. So hopefully I get something. So we're gonna move on to the Zulily box. So here is my Zulily box. Feels a little bit heavy, nothing too heavy that I can't lift up like this. So I'm not sure what's in here. And I don't think I've opened this one, so I've had this box so long. I'm trying to clean up that room now, so that's the reason I'm opening these boxes. I got probably about 5 or 6 left yet, so. And I can see there's an envelope inside. It feels like clothing. I don't know if I'll put a description for these things, because I've bought them such a long time ago. I don't even know if you would still find them on the site. So another velvet. Nice color, wow. So I don't even remember what this is, but it looks like a nice color. Must be a top. It is gorgeous. Wow. That is just gorgeous. Beautiful color, wow. I don't even remember ordering this. It's from the Susan Betro collection. I love her stuff. Her stuff can be very pricey, but sometimes you can get like a good deal. Sometimes they have a blowout where they'll sell them for like $19.99, and that's probably when I picked this up because they make really nice clothes. And I got in a medium. I hope this looks nice. It looks kind of loose, like big. This is cute. I love the little embroidery on the sleeve right there. I love this. I'm gonna try to keep it away from the lint. That is nice. So that's the first thing, and then I think there's shoes in here. Oh, ooh, runners. This is sneakers. So this is the black and gray bungee sneaker in a size 8. That is cute. I hope they fit nice. That's what they look like. They're actually pretty cute. They look just like they look on the site. In fact, I think I did see something like this at that store where I bought those sneakers from. I hope it fits. Let's see. I don't know what this is, some top or something. Okay, so this is a nice top. I love the lace. And there's some pattern on the top there. That's the back of it, and then it's got the band on the bottom, band on the sleeves. This is nice, looks big too. And this is a size medium. Nice color. Cute. Oh my god, I got 2 more pairs of shoes in here, guys. This one is called Refresh. I don't even know what this is. Oh, Nodder sneakers. So these are gray. Oh, lighter than this one, but still, you'll know it's a different one I'm wearing because that one has laces and this one doesn't. It's just a nice slip-on type. And I got this in a size 8 as well. Feels nice and soft inside. Ooh, that's cute. I can wear this around here because it's quick and easy to slip that on the foot. The other one, sometimes with the laces, it's not easy to get your foot in there. So yeah, I'm gonna try these on. I love to have footwear. Alright, and then the last one, cute box. Ooh, sandals. Sandals. Oh boy, this looks small. Yeah, it does. It looks like a kid's. I don't know if this will fit. That looks tiny. It's got a little zipper on the back there. Really nice detailing here. I'm just worried that this might be too small for me, but we'll see. I mean, I don't exactly have big feet, but... So that's what they look like. Nice color. I don't think I have any sandals this color, so I hope they fit. This looks so cute. Okay guys, so that was everything in that box and my West Edmonton small haul. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and you can leave me some comments down below if you like anything you've seen in the video, if you have any questions. And for sure I will be doing another haul coming up because I don't think we will be going to the mall for my birthday. So I just might buy some stuff that I like to have now because I don't know, I know my fiance won't be here for my birthday, so I'm gonna just maybe buy something really nice for myself. I know the Pandora store isn't open as yet in the mall, and I don't know when they're gonna be reopening, but There's other things I can buy. I mean, I don't really need to get an expensive thing, just a little bit of clothing or whatever makes me happy, you know. So I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye guys.